Goal with this activity is to really work on your ability to extend your hip, loosen up the trunk. Here's what you're gonna do. Get a box. You're gonna put your forearms on the box. You're gonna be in the kneeling position with your toes flexed upward. Your ankles, I should say, dorsiflex. You're gonna slowly push yourself away from the box, straight up like this. You don't wanna crunch back or push yourself backwards. So I would push up and lean forward slightly. From here, do a back pocket tuck, like so. You're gonna take one of your legs, push into the wall, and you should feel, in this case, my left butt working. Hold this position, breathe as I taught you. Make sure to keep the lower rib cage still on inhalation by keeping the abs tensed. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.